Hey beauties, Waah Gwaan, what's poppin'? Welcome back to another video on my channel. How you guys doing? Thank you guys so very much for tuning in today's video. This is the nail set that I'll be doing for y'all today, so I hope you guys do enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below, because I really do appreciate when you guys do comment. It does show me that me doing videos for you, YouTube is not going in vain. So thank you so very much. So if this is your very first time, hi, welcome to Bare Beauty. Thank you guys so very much for clicking on this video. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out or on your way into this video. Just subscribe. Let the video convince you to subscribe. So today's video is my first time, doing a set for autumn in 2020. It sounds very complex. I don't know why I like to complex stuff, but yeah, this is actually my very first set. Another one is coming, so ensure that you're subscribed and you turn on that bell so you get notification from more. So I'll be going in with coffee. I'll be using coffee and an orange from the Mia Secret Nail Art collection. I think this is one of my favorite, this is one of my favorite collection, and this is actually one of my favorite colors from the collection, coffee. So I'll be going with coffee at the tip of my nails, and then I will put the orange at the base of the nail. So this was somewhat hard, but it was not hard. It was a bit challenging due to the fact that because these were so highly pigmented, and also that the colors were very stiff and very compact, they didn't really move as much and blend as much. With the cover color is quite different, so you will see it transition well. With the with this color here, it doesn't transition as well as you want it, so you have to put in that effort to make that transition how you want it. So yeah, so I'll be doing the reverse on the ring finger by placing the orange at the tip and the coffee at the base. So let me tell you something, I am an extra Nancy. I'm just gonna put it out there that I'm an extra Nancy. I'd like to go that extra mile to extrafy my nails. So here's the thesis. So I could have left my nails at a certain point. I'll indicate when I could have left the nails. When this whole ombre stage is done, I could have left it right there. So no. So I saw glitters. This is what happened. I saw glitters. I was like, I can put some glitters on these nails. I mean, the thumb and the ring was enough to begin with. So the thumb and the pinky was enough to begin with. No, but no, homegirls like, no, that's not enough. That's where extra Nancy comes in. So after I, put on the glitter on the thumb and the pinky, I was like, no, the rest of the nails can get some glitters, but it would be very medium. It wouldn't well a lot. But you know what happened? Sis put a whole bunch of glitter on the nails, and then that's how it became very extra-fied. So yeah, I'm extra bad. I try, but I can't help myself, I can't help myself. I don't know if you guys ever reached that point in life where I was like, doing something or something that you genuinely do like, and you think you can pretty up the nails and XYZ by adding, XYZ, and then you go, these people. Anyways, extrafying up your nails and putting, and then you go turn out. I mean, at the end of the day, the nails didn't look, ugly. They look really extra though, really extra. So yeah, so I won't be doing a lot in this video. I won't show myself filing or buffing or doing any other sort, because it was so time consuming and longish, because I had to file these nails, even though I didn't have much filing to do because I already had the shape that I wanted. So there was a minimal filing, but I wanted not to continuously show in my videos filing, because persons tend not to like this part of my videos, even if you guys reach to this point. I don't know if you guys even reach to this point in my video, but yes. So I'm adding glitters to the thumb and the pinky, then I encapsulate and then I shine. So there was nothing, no diamonds, nothing to my nails. It was just simple. I like that. But one thing that I do regret doing is, I don't know, when it comes on to glitter and encapsulating glitter, it pains my soul, because look how bomb this glitter is. This glitter is bomb.com, right? And then when I encapsulate it took away, kid you not, it took away that bomb.com, right? I don't know, the next time that I do glitters, I'm just going to try solve it by, you know, applying it, and then I probably apply gel top coat to it to see, you know, if it works or if the shine goes. I don't know, I'm not sure. But yeah, so thank you guys so very much for tuning into today's video. Hope you guys really do enjoy. There's not much to my video, so go ahead and subscribe, like, comment down below. Follow me on my social medias, that is TikTok and Instagram at Bare Beauty Services. Both of them are Bare Beauty Services. And thank you guys so very much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Soon there will no longer be pollution. Shining bright,